Hello children, welcome to the computer class. So in activity worksheet 4, we had started the chapter 7, that is paint and more tools in toolbox. Okay, that means in this chapter we will learn about the different tools used in MS Paint. Okay, so in activity 5 also we had continue with this chapter 7. Now this week we had in the live class I had discussed about the text tool and the eraser tool. Okay, so what is the use of text tool? So using the text tool we can write text in the drawing area. Till now we had only learned about how to draw in MS Paint, but there is no tool till now we have learned using which we can write any text. Okay, আমরা যা tool শিখেছি তার সাথে আমরা drawing করতে পারতাম কিন্তু আমরা write করতে পারতাম না, but using the text tool we can write text also in MS Paint. Okay, so this is capital A, this is the symbol of the text tool. Now by selecting the symbol you have to draw a dotted box. First you have to draw a dotted box. This dotted box is called text frame. Now within this text frame, that means inside this text frame you have to type any text. Okay, and also you have to you can select font style, font size, that means handwriting style, handwriting size of your text. Okay, so this way we can type any text in the drawing on the drawing area of MS Paint. Okay, so this is the text tool. Next, eraser tool. So from the name eraser, you all can understand that the eraser tool is to erase any part of a drawing, or we can also erase a complete drawing. Okay, so this is the sign of the eraser, a reddish red color একটা eraser. Okay, and by selecting the eraser, by dragging it you can erase any part of a drawing. Okay, now I had already discussed all these theories in the live class, but in this video the practical demonstration of the text tool and also eraser tool. That means how can we use both this tool in MS Paint. So this is my paint window. Eta amar paint window. Now today I will show you first the use of text tool. See in the toolbox e dekho, see this is the capital A, which is the symbol of text tool, we all know. Now for using the tool, first we have to select it. Amra jani first select korte hobe tool take. Now after selecting the tool we have to bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Mouse pointer take drawing area te niye aste hobe, tarpor ki korte hobe, then we have to draw the dotted box, that is called the text frame. Amake ki korte hobe, left mouse ke press kore drag kore ekta dotted box, see একটা dotted box আমি create করলাম. Okay, now dotted box or text frame draw করার পরে then I have to select the font size, that means handwriting size টা select করতে হবে আর handwriting style টাও select করতে হবে. Style, this is the handwriting style select করলাম আর handwriting size select করলাম. Then next I will start my typing. This is my book. See how simply I can type the text. Okay, how simply I can type the text. This is my book. I love to read computer. Okay, see how simply I can type using the text tool. Okay, this is the use of text tool. কি করলাম, just text tool টা select করলাম, drag করে একটা box create করলাম, then style নিলাম, যে কোনো একটা style you can choose and size select করলাম, then you can start your typing. I love my school. See different handwriting styles are there. I love my school is in different handwriting. This is my book is in different handwriting. Okay, so different handwriting style you can select from this box, and also different handwriting size you can select. So okay, so this is the use of the text tool. Next I will show you the use of eraser tool. Okay, and the use of eraser tool I will show you. তো আমি একটা লাইন ড্র করছি. ওকে, লাইন টুল ইউজ করে আমি একটা লাইন ড্র করছি, সিম্পল লাইন ড্র করছি. ওকে, then I will show you how can we use the eraser tool to erase this line. Okay, so see this is the symbol of eraser tool, it's a reddish eraser. So for using the eraser tool, first I have to select it. তো আমি select করে নিলাম. Select করার পর see in class you have asked me a question that ma'am how can we make the size of the eraser big, আমরা eraser size টা, or how can we change the size of the eraser. See যখনই আমি eraser toolটা select করব তখনই এখানে একটা size বলে অপশন আসবে, there will be an option size called size. Okay, now by clicking on this down arrow you will get different size options. See, যখন আমি অপশনটা ক্লিক করলাম ইরেজার সাইজ কত স্মল, দেখো ইরেজার সাইজ কত স্মল, তাই দিয়ে আমি ইরেজ করছি। বাট আমি চাই যে আমার ইরেজার সাইজটা একটু বিগ হোক, আই ওয়ান্ট আ বিগ ইরেজার, নট টু স্মল, দিস ইজ দ্য টু স্মল ইরেজার। আমি একদম সবচেয়ে বিগ ইরেজারটা নিয়ে নিই। See, this is the big eraser. Okay, and using the erasers, I can easily erase the line. কিভাবে ইরেজ করছি, লেফট মাউসটাকে প্রেস করে রেখে, লেফট মাউসকে প্রেস করে রেখে আমি ইরেজারটাকে মুভ করাচ্ছি, আমি ইরেজারটাকে মুভ করাচ্ছি, তো আমি কমপ্লিট ইরেজ করে নিতে পারলাম। ওকে, সো দিস ওয়ে আমি আবার একটা ফিগার ড্র করছি, then I will show you the use of eraser tool. Select the tool, select the size, and now you can simply erase. Left mouse click করে simple erase করে দাও। Okay, so this way you can erase. So this is the practical use of eraser tool and text tool. So first you have to read these two topics from your computer textbook, and then you have to watch and practice the practical demonstration of both these tools. And after that you have to complete the work of Skillsheet book. So in the live class we had done this work. Match the following in your Skillsheet book, page number 31. Skillsheet book page number 31, in the live class we had done this match the following. Okay, so those who have completed need not to do it again, but jara jara ekhono koroni, complete it and give the proper date. Okay children, so do your study. Thank you and take care.